Hi, welcome to today's video, and today I want to very quickly show you how to install the Facebook pixel onto a WordPress website using a plugin. Okay, now this is just how to install it in a WordPress website. If you've got a different type of website, there'll be a slightly different process, and I'll create another video for you about that, which you may be able to click up here somewhere on your screen right about now if I get round to it. But for now, we're just going to install the Facebook pixel on a WordPress website. So here's the website. We've got a fresh WordPress website we've just created. And if you have a look on the top right here, when I click on the Facebook pixel helper, it says that there is no Facebook pixel found on this website right now. Okay, which is good. It's a fresh website and we want to install our pixel. Now, to get your pixel, you need an advertising account on Facebook. Now, if you haven't got one, you just go into your personal account. Okay, you will click the drop down arrow and manage ads or create ad, or on the top row, if this loads, apologize, when I'm recording the screen it's very slow, just click create and that will take you over to your ads manager where you can create an ad account. So if you've got a Facebook page, you want to create an ad account for that page. Now for the purposes of this, I'm just going to be showing you through my my personal account. I've got loads of others there. So what you would do is you would come to this ads manager section here. You click the burger icon in the top left. And what you want to do is you want to hit all tools. And in this manage business column here, we go down to events manager. So we'll click on events manager. And then that will take us over to where we can grab the pixel to install it in our website. Okay. Now, like I say, this is taking a little while. It's what happens when I record my screen. I don't think my Chromebook's got enough power, but we'll be upgrading that shortly. So here we are. We're over in the Events Manager, and what will happen is it will come up with, well, if you haven't got a pixel or you haven't created one, you'll have to go and create one from scratch. If you already got one, you just click the Setup or download the pixel on the top right. So once this loads, I'll show you what I mean. Now in the Events Manager, as you can see at the top here, this is my personal ad account. You can create multiple ad accounts if you've got different businesses. What you want to do is create an ad account for each individual business, and each ad account will have a separate pixel. Now I don't want to get too techie on you, but every ad account has a separate pixel. Okay. So for now, we're just going to jump into this, my personal one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on details. And then I will select the setup pixel option when it loads. So that's taking a while to load up. So while it's doing that, we're going to jump over. There we go. It has loaded. Fantastic. So as we can see on the top right, we have setup. We're going to click the drop down. We're going to click install pixel. Okay. Now this will bring a little window up for us, which will eventually have the data that we want to copy. Okay. Now here we go. We've got three options. We can add a code using a partner integration. Okay, and like I said, if you've got a Squarespace, Shopify store, anything like that, you can use that. Or you can email it to your developer. If you've got a web developer, it's probably best to just email the instructions directly to them. But for now, we're just going to click manually add the pixel code to website. I'm going to click that. And that's going to then bring us up with our pixel code, which is amazing, which is here. Okay. Now, there are many ways to do this. We can click the code and install it in the head tags. But for now, we're just going to copy that to the clipboard. And I'm going to paste it in. We can do a new one there. I'm going to paste it here because the WordPress plugin that we're going to install only requires a little bit of this massive code. Now, don't get too confused with it. We're only going to require a tiny bit of this code, which is going to be this number here. Okay. So that number there where it says FBQ init, we just need that. So we're going to highlight that. I just double clicked and it highlighted the number, and I'm going to go Control C, and that's copied it to my clipboard. Now I'm going to jump over to my website and I'm going to install the Pixel plugin. Okay. Now, like I said, there's many ways to do this. You can install all that code between the head tags of your website. That's one way of doing it, but this is a very simple, quick way of doing it. We're going to use a plugin. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to go to the plugins, add new menu option. So we have plugins. We're going to click plugins. We can do it that way. There's many ways of doing things with WordPress. Okay, so the plugin that we want to install, we go to plugins, add new. Okay, now the plugin we're going to install for this is just going to be called Pixel My Website, I think it's called. But if you just search for Pixel or Facebook Pixel in the opt-in box, it will show you some options, and then we'll know where to go. So keyword Pixel, hit return, Pixel Your Site by Pixel Your Site. That's the one. Click install now. Okay. And once it's installed, we just want to click activate. And that will now add it to our menu options here on the left. See, down the bottom, Pixel Your Site. Great. We're going to click on that, which will take us to our dashboard for the Pixel Your Site plugin. And there we go. We can install our Pixel ID. We can install Google Analytics. We can install multiple tags here. So we just want our Pixel ID. Now it's just asking for the Pixel ID here, see? But if you didn't know how to get it, you just click on that and it'll just give you a little explanation of where to find the Pixel ID. But like I said, we've already copied it to our clipboard. We've pasted it in a text editor, and we know which part we want, which is, if I just open it up, it's that part there. That is our Pixel code, right? So like I said, I've copied that to my clipboard. Just want to minimize that. There we go. It's just a little explanation of how to find it. To apologize, but this is very, very slow. Right, back over to our website. And the Pixel ID, we just paste it in the box there at the top. I'm not sure how long this video has taken, but it could have been 2 or 3 minutes shorter if it was a little bit quicker. Right, Pixel ID, paste it in there. And we go down to the bottom, click Save Settings, right? And that's it. We are done. Now, if we go back over to our home page on our website, go to Visit Site, you should see now the Facebook Pixel helper should light up and indicate that the Pixel has been installed. Okay. Now, if it does light up and tell us the Pixel has been installed, then it's a success. And there we go. Here it's lit up. We've got 3 little notifications there. And if we just click on that, and it will tell us we have the Facebook Pixel installed, and we've got a few little events that it's automatically added: a general event, a page view, and this microdata. So it's a success. We've installed the Pixel. Now there's many other things that you want to do after that. You may want to install different events, maybe on sales pages, checkout pages, landing pages and stuff like that, but that's a bit more advanced and for another video, which you may be able to see around here somewhere. But for now, that's how you install the Facebook Pixel in a WordPress website using the plugin. Okay, hope you've enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Please subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this sort of thing and how to generate revenue from Facebook. And yeah, look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.